Hello everyone, welcome to day 20 of Stitch a Day 365 Days Crochet Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a foundation double crochet. To make a foundation double crochet, you chain 4 and you yarn over, go into the very first chain here and pull out a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull out of the first loop. This is going to form the foundation chain, and we are going to go ahead with the double crochet, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of the next 2. So this forms the first chain and your first double crochet. Again, go into the chain space here that we just created, yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of the first loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Now it's time for the double crochet, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of next 2. So just like this, you can continue making a row of foundation chain and a row of double crochet stitches. So again, this is very helpful to work with when you have a lot of chains to make and the next row is a double crochet. Do try this out, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.